Even when it's snowing, we Coloradoans like to get out and enjoy the snow, whether it's walking our dogs or going snowboarding or mountain biking in the summer. But sometimes illness or injury can stop you from doing the things you love. And when that happens, you need to be able to speak about it with a doctor or a pharmacist concisely and clearly. So in this unit, we're going to talk about common injuries and illnesses and ways to talk about them. In the winter, in cold climates, people tend to get sick more often because we're indoors, we're closer together, and we have less fresh air coming in. So right now, let's talk a little bit about illness and how to describe symptoms of illness. I'm going to give you a symptom, how long you've had it, and what, if anything, you've done to treat it. I'll give you a little bit of time. Try to think about how you might talk to a doctor about this. You can pause the video if you want. After that, we'll show you an example of how one person would describe these symptoms to a doctor. Okay, let's go.
I cut myself this morning pretty badly making breakfast, and I just want to make sure I don't need stitches and that it's not getting infected. I have indigestion. I've been battling it for about 3 weeks, and the antacids I've been taking haven't helped at all. For 2 days, I've had a sore throat. What I've been doing to treat it is basically just using throat lozenges. I sprained my ankle this morning getting the mail, and I just took a painkiller. I've had the flu for 2 days, and all I've taken is aspirin. I've had high blood pressure for about 2 months, and I'm not on any medication yet.
Getting injured is never fun, but it's good and important to be able to talk about it with your doctor or a caregiver. So let's look at some body parts, review the names for them, and talk about how we can describe pain in different areas of the body. Let's start by reviewing the joints of the body, as these are where many injuries occur. I will show you a photo, and you try to call out the name of the joint before I do. Elbow, shoulder, hip, knee, ankle. Let's go visit the mountains of Colorado and see what people are doing up on the slopes.
Hello Brazil, I'm Kirk. I'm top of the Blue Sky Basin at Vail Ski Resorts. Let's go for a little ski run. You ready? Let's go! On my knee!
Uh-oh, that looked like kind of a bad accident. Well, I think Kirk had to go to the doctor. Let's take a look at the next video and hear what the doctor had to say.
Hey everybody out there in Brazil. Well, looks like I managed to hurt myself today. I managed to sprain my knee and I was in the doctor's today. And they recommended that I take at least 2 weeks off of snowboarding. So, it looks like I won't be out for another couple weeks until I get to go back on the snow.
We sure hope you get better soon. How about visiting the pharmacist? What's an over-the-counter medication or a prescription medication, and how are they different? Let's take a look at this next video and find out.
Hi everybody, I'm Candace, and I would like to explain the difference between over-the-counter medicine and prescription medicine. So if you go to a pharmacy or the doctor and you ask for over-the-counter, that means they hand you something over-the-counter, no prescription needed. So you can pick anything you want. It's very simple. But if you want something prescription, it means that a doctor has to write the prescription and you can get only that drug from the pharmacist. You can't just look in the shelves and pick it up. So when you go to the pharmacist the next time, make sure you can ask for over-the-counter, or if you have a prescription, you can ask for prescription drugs. Good luck! Boa sorte!
Well, my hope is that while you're visiting an English-speaking country, you never have to go to the doctor and you don't have to talk about pain or illness because you'll be healthy the whole time. But in case you do, remember all the words you've learned, the expressions you know, and you'll do just fine. See you next time.